This is the Kebtek KT940. These are electric pruning shears which make your life so much easier. So this is the latest offering from Kebtek, and it can go through a massive 40mm diameter of branch. Now, with it being the latest one that they've done, it comes with 2 batteries and it comes with a dual charger which you can attach both batteries to at the same time. Just plug it in and let it charge up. You do need to let it charge for 5 hours on the first use of the batteries just to give them a good initial charge. You simply plug it in and it will start off red, but when they're fully charged it will turn green. So I'm just going to go over a few of the things that you get. This is the box. So progressive cutting control. It's incredibly sharp. You get obviously 2 batteries there. 2-year warranty on the tool, a year warranty on the battery and charger, and a 30-day money back guarantee. And we can cut up to 40mm maximum diameter. That is an LCD display that tells you how many times you've cut. You've got a built-in safety switch which you can press the trigger twice. And yeah, it's just a well-made tool. And I've not had it long, but I'll tell you something, I'm really pleased with it, and I think it's a great piece of kit. So the first step is to put the battery on, and it's dead easy. It just slides into position and locks into place. Now you will be provided with an empty bottle which you can use to fill up with oil for lubrication. You can use any oil for lubrication, engine oil, cooking oil, and the recommendation is to clean between the blades and behind this nut. So the first thing you need to do is press and hold the trigger. That powers it on. You see the display comes on, and then you double press the trigger and that opens up. Now we're going to lubricate. This side here, between the 2 blades, just want a tiny piece, and then if you turn it over, same again here, a tiny piece there, and then turn it back over, and behind this big nut, where it actually meets there, just want a tiny bit in there. And good to go. Now there's so many things you can cut. You can go up to 40mm with these. Very easily. You can do it by hand, or we can use the pole. And I'm going to show you the pole now. Now the pole's got 2 ends. This end, you put the battery on, down to there, and that clips on. This is where you hold, and that's where you squeeze the trigger. And then you can extend this right up, and this is the end. You just remove the battery, and just slide it on, like that. And the other end, just slides on like so. And if you want, you can lock it in, like so. And it's on, ready for reaching those heights. So what we've got now is a system. I'll have to switch it on first. So first things first, switch it on. Okay, and then we can now squeeze from here. And this is fully extendable up to about 3 meters ish. Now the way we extend it, there's a little catch here on the side. You just open that and it slides up, but it's spring loaded as well, so it goes back down really easily. So you extend it out to the height that you want and then just lock it down in place. Let's give it a go. Fantastic. Didn't even have to reach over for that. Now all you need is just to get a bit higher and you don't have to reach over very far at all. There's also this handy pouch if you want to hold it on your waist while you're clambering up a tree and cutting branches. So I actually think it's a decent bit of kit. That holder, it's really actually quite good, especially when you're up trees. Now, if you're going to be pruning lots of shrubs and bushes back, really, this just makes light work of it. Now, if you add in the pole, you've got a really good bit of kit, which is just going to cover all your bases. So it comes with 2 batteries, it comes with a charger where you can charge both batteries at the same time. It's got a carrying case and it's got a squeezy bottle for your oil. Overall, really great piece of kit and I recommend it. So obviously these were sent for me to review. We're often getting asked for things to be reviewed and most things I turn down and say no, just because it's not so much about lawn care and we don't need to be selling and promoting stuff all the time. And I'm totally up for that, but every now and again I will see things where I think actually they look pretty good, and these are those, because I like doing a bit of gardening as well. I looked at these previously before even thinking about doing anything like this, and I always thought I could do with some cutters, some electric pruners, and if we've got a pole then I can get up to some of the branches on the tree. So it was just by pure luck that Kebtek got in touch with me and said to me, would you mind taking a look at this? I said, yeah, no problem, thinking I could do with some anyway. But do you know what? They're actually really, really well made and they work. And it's as simple as that. I don't really know what else to say. They sent me some last year, which was the 35mm ones, and they are good. And then they reached out to me again a few months ago and said, would you like to look at the 40mm ones? I said, yeah, no problem. So that's what they did. They sent me these out. And with the pole as well and the little holster, I honestly think these will be a great piece of kit which will save you time. You're not going to get tired hands by squeezing the secateurs, and you're going to be in less danger because you're not reaching over. So all round, I think it's a win. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.